Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So in today's this video is going to be very interesting. This is a little bit different in compared to mathematics. So by looking the title, magical square. So this is this magical square. You know that something is different beside mathematics, right? So this is a magical box. You can say that this is a magical box. Here what I am going to do. So there are some of the numbers are given 1 to 9. I will write all these numbers. I will fill up the number here. So in such a way that if you add diagonally, vertically, horizontally, and diagonally, you will get the same number. Let's see what will be the number. Now, in order to do that, you have to make one little box here. You have to add one box here, as well as here. You have to add one more box here. Also, you have to add here one more similar box you have to add. Now you have to arrange this number 1 to 9 in such a way in that box that diagonally, vertically, horizontally, if you add, you are going to get the same number. So that's why it is known as the magical square. Let's see how I'll do that. So if I write 1 here, this is the trick. 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, then I'll write here 7, 8, 9. All right. Now what we need to do, just we'll remove this one and we'll place in, there is 2 gap. Here is also 1 gap. I'll write in the opposite gap, not this gap. I'm going to write here. Okay. And this 9, I'll write in this gap. So I have filled up 1 and 9. So I'm going to rub 1 and 9. Similarly, here, these 3, I'll fill up, instead of here, I'll fill up in opposite side, opposite corner. So here, 3 will become here. And the 7 will be filled up here, opposite sides, right? So now I'm going to rub 7 and 3 as well. Now check, now count. 7 plus 6, 13, plus 2, 15. So we'll get 15. 9 plus 4, 14, plus 1, 15. 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 8, this is also 15. So horizontally and vertically, 6 plus 1, 7, 7 plus 8 is 15. So this is also 15. This is also 15. But if we add diagonally 7 plus 8, that is also 15. In this way, if we add 11 plus 5, 15. This is also diagonally. So diagonally, vertically, horizontally, you will get the same number, that is 15. That's why it is known as the magical square box. I hope it is very interesting. So thank you for watching.